do you have a message for South Africans? You know, today is Mandela's 94th birthday.
I would just say very happy birthday to Mandela. It's been a source of inspiration to most of us, and we're very happy with him here in Nigeria.
Great, great, great. Well, first things first, investor sentiment on the market. We know Q2 earnings have sort of been driving that sentiment, and that's why it's been so bullish. But inflation numbers are coming out today. And of course, we're not, as some analysts are saying, we're going to see it go up. Some say up to 14%, like the CBN did say. Some say at about 12.9, 12.7%. It may remain at the same figure. What is your take? And of course, how do you see it affecting investor sentiment on the market today?
Okay, thank you. For the inflation figures, I want to believe that going forward, inflation will remain upbeat for the rest of the year. At least for us at Cowrey, we see inflation trading higher for most part of the main part of this year, given the following reasons. As at last week Wednesday, the federal government announced a 65% levy on wheat flour import, which effectively brings its duty to 100%. We feel that would impact on wheat-based foods, and also there's also speculation on the food deregulation of the downstream oil sector this year, and we feel that if that goes on, that would be a total removal of subsidy on premium motor spirits, and which would increase prices of commodities in the economy. So going forward, we expect inflation to remain upbeat. And how it affects our market at the moment, we're in the corporate earnings season. There's a period where where companies or corporates are releasing their Q2 results, and we've seen the market being driven at the moment by impressive results. We've seen the likes of Skybank, Diamond Bank, and also UBA, which are the first to release its Q2 results. So I don't think the inflation figures would put a slowdown on on the rally in the market. I think the positive sentiment in the market would be sustained going forward. And yet we're still expecting more corporate releases for this quarter. The likes of the first-tier banks, likes of Guarantee Trust Bank, GTB, First Bank, and also Zenith Bank.
And I'm sure you expect that to continue to drive sentiment, not the inflation number like you're saying. You think inflation wouldn't sort of shake our investors. But let's talk about Transcorp specifically. We know they released results yesterday, and certainly great results. We saw a profit after tax up, net profits up. We saw also 46% markup in that stock. Do you see continued demand for that stock today? And actually, I just want to add that that stock is the second best performing stock this year.
Yeah, for Transcorp, I want to take a long-term horizon on Transcorp. Transcorp, yes, it has its profit surged by about 70% yesterday. We'll see if you look at the business model of Transcorp. Transcorp, it is now has a flourishing business model. Transcorp is into the agri-business, and it's also into the energy sector, and also playing a very active role in the hotels and tourism business segment. In the long term, yes, Transcorp outlook looks positive. If you take for instance the agri-business, Transcorp has first of its kind in Nigeria a fruit juice processing plant in Makurdi, and that's at Benue State, which has a current production capacity of 26,000 metric tons of oranges per year. And they plan within the next 2 years to increase and also install another fruit juice concentrate plant in that same state. So yeah, in the long term, the stock that would affect its bottom line. Also in the energy sector, it has made so many joint partnerships with foreign companies, and also playing an active role bidding for a power in the power sector also. For its hotel business, we might likely see a slowdown in activities given the insecurity challenges in the northern part of the country, which has dampened confidence on business and tourist travelers. We'll probably see a reduction in we suspect a reduction in occupancy rates, which would affect revenue. But for a long term, Transcorp remains positive, and there's a lot of positive sentiment around the share. We've seen the share price remain at above 1 naira for a very long while now.